Hi everyone, welcome to the Random Home Gadgets channel. In this video, I'll show you the unboxing and review of the Winix C545 Air Purifier. This air purifier is available in Costco for $130 for the original price and $100 when it's on sale. This air purifier features 4-stage filtration with plasma wave technology, AHAM verified 360 square feet room size, smart app control compatible with Amazon Alexa. The plasma wave technology is a patented air purifying technology that uses dual polarity ions to eliminate air pollutants. Now let me open it and take a look. Assembling. Place the HEPA and activated carbon filters first. Make sure the HEPA filter is facing the inside of the air purifier. Place the fine mesh pre-filter. Place the front cover. Physical control. Press the power button to turn on the air purifier. Press the arrow button to change between auto mode, 4 fan speeds, and sleep mode. Press and hold both the arrow buttons for 3 seconds to turn on or off plasma wave feature. App control. Open the Winix Smart app and log on to your account. Tap the screen to add new device. Select the air purifier. You may watch the provided video guide. Long press the Wi-Fi button to turn on the purifier's own Wi-Fi. Go to the phone Wi-Fi setting and select the Winix Smart Wi-Fi. Switch back to the Winix Smart app. Select your home Wi-Fi and enter the password. Wait till the device registration complete. In the app homepage, you may tap the air quality widget to see the local air quality. Tap the Filter Live widget to see filter condition. There is a Purchase Filter button, but somehow it doesn't work. Tap the Air Quality History widget to see the air quality report. Tap the Control button to show remote control options, including power, auto mode, fan speed, plasma wave, and sleep mode. Tap the Schedule widget to set a scheduled power down time and customize the mode and fan speed. Tap the Setting widget to show setting options. You may change the room name, change the city, check the device info, user manual, Alexa setup guide, app version info, and share device control to your family. Here are my final thoughts of this air purifier. Pros: true HEPA filter, affordable price, smart app control and Alexa compatible. Cons: need frequent carbon filter replacement, approximately every 3 months. Not ideal for large room size. Overall, the Winix C545 Air Purifier is packed with great air filtration capability and smart control features at an affordable price. It's ideal for small and medium-sized rooms. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, please write them down in the comment section below. See you next time.